In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new company in Zoho Books. Whether you're starting fresh with your business financials or need to set up another company, Zoho Books makes it easy to get up and running. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, you'll want to log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your current organization's name displayed beside your user avatar. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage. This will take you to the Manage Organizations screen, where you'll have a few options. At this point, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New Organization. Clicking on this will present you with two choices: Add New Organization or Clone Existing Organization. Let's break these options down a bit. If you're looking to start completely from scratch, Add New Organization is the way to go. This option allows you to create everything anew, including templates, preferences, and the chart of accounts tailored specifically for this new company. On the other hand, if you're looking to save time and want to build on a pre-existing structure, Clone Existing Organization can be very handy. This option lets you reuse established settings from another of your organizations, simplifying the process significantly. If you decide to add a new organization, you will need to input some essential details. This includes the organization name and organization location. Once you fill out these fields, simply click on Let's Get Started. After this step, you'll be redirected to a quick setup flow. This setup is crucial as it helps customize your new organization's profile. Here's where you'll input your business details, such as company information and tax setup requirements. It's also important to specify settings like your preferred currency. These elements are vital in ensuring your new organization operates smoothly and fits perfectly within your business structure. Once you've completed this setup flow, your new company is ready to use in Zoho Books. This setup provides you with a framework that can be adjusted as your company grows and evolves. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now well equipped to create a new company within Zoho Books. Remember, the settings you choose initially can be adjusted later, so don't worry too much about making everything perfect right away. With automation and powerful tools at your fingertips, you're more than ready to manage your accounts efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring and don't hesitate to delve deeper into what Zoho Books can offer to streamline your accounting processes.